Ndio ma Igbo ma na-ege m ntị kenekwa mụ na biko achọkwa onwe vidio nchekwu na nakwa vidio dị n'akụkụ ebe a kịta unu n'afọ ya bụ vidio nchọ iji vidio ka m kwuo one or two things dị m n'obi so that ka anyị makwa na n'ụwa anyị nọ n'ime ya dị very very spiritual. In the book of Job, we read the book of Job, I'm not the verse, but in the book of Job, Bible said that and Job summoned God and God came. So Job started having conversation with God. At the end of the day, Job lamenting, and God asked him a question: where were you when I laid the foundation of this earth? Job kept quiet. Where were you when the morning sun sings for joy for the first time? Where were you when I laid the foundation of the earth? That is the main question. People don't know one foundation. The foundations of this earth was laid somewhere, and people don't know about it. This man this man Manamala that these children of this world have conquered something to know that this world is covered with a mystery and some things and spiritual that control the physical. Whereby that now there's something I learned last year, early last 2 years, 2023. I don't towards the end of 2023, or say that Satan has a way of making people think that they know what they are doing, why they don't know what they are doing. In the sense that na obulu nanda hano na temple na gambling na here na church na machanto na house of God into machan obu na Jesus achoro ha mgba, they will grow up thinking no Martin. Not because something is normal and people are doing it doesn't make that thing right. This man ha broke adibia mana oje gwota ogu oya bu gina mecha business ojelia olokwa business gina most especially Anna and other essential businesses on eme. Kedu ihe mmadụ dị ndụ ji egwogide ụdọ ọgwụ obulu na-abịa. That is why Musa pụtazi like this ịma ihe na-eme ha. Mmadụ asị gị na ojechala ahịa like this mana ọma ihe mele igi ya. Now let me give you a life story now. Something happened. One thing lead to another. Somebody send them $160. We will this $160. They change ya n'aka one aboki man. Ya n'aka oge true life story. Onye be mbu witness to it. That the millionaires. Mwele aji change to aboki man. Emana in 3 days time, amoro mi henji $160 ahu eme. I cannot give you account of what I did with that money. Mgwa agwanye be msana. Emana eke high change put out close to 200,000 naira. Na amoro mi high jego. She was surprised. That day ajela here, amam na iguli here close to 50 something thousand. Okay, where is the remaining 200 and something thousand everybody? I am married high jego. Gas adro, fuel adro, nothing, the money. So onye sige no wa adiru mimi, si anasi. Then I decided to give another trial to another person. Mbose mmadu send them $100. Then I decided to try another person. Try onye nka imana ega I gave account of it. Mwesi okay or ihe na-eme bad ha. When the bata na shop ha choi bata la di gafete no do ahia. Imamu ihe bute gị na that shop and you end up buying what you don't want to buy. Anchabo avenues beginning is a waste ego. So biko no nene this video. Be wise. Bible say gine be wise as serpent. The gara kugo. The gara kugo. Be wise as serpent. Yotago. So this video now is an eye opener for you. Now second one the headache spiritual. Matthias I need the save, don't need the save. So no gonna believe you nekwete na nka. Nda megi he. Ikwete ni hede. No nwele hede no wa n'ime ụwa mana okpuru ụwa. Chiko Okpala gole na egwu. Most times go back and listen to those egwu Chiko Okpala guchalo mgba ahụ. If one of those men, they said something in this world, I know some of them cut out those revelations and they were putting it in a song for us to learn. That is why after 20 years, those songs are relevant today. It's an assignment. Go and listen to Chiko Okpala songs. Yeah, I'll tell him now. God, you know.
Just Jamaica, when you are done videoing, you now bring her. But our team is for this place. Madam Pasha. Give that to this woman. Give her.
This is nailed on a living tree, as tall as you could see.
Excuse me. Can go close and see nail. Money.
All keys, look at from the ground. Key, money, signifying people's destiny up to the top of this tree. This is not good. This is not good. This is not round the whole tree. Round it. Keys. Lock, padlocks. You can bring with.
And when you move Simon, when you move.
Name word, I don't know name word.
I'm going to you move.
Original.
Chairman come with a good time and Nell.
In a medibia.
I'll remember Rodibia.
Huh?
I brought Moody, I'll remember Rodibia.
I'm a Rogazi Dibia. He was open in them.
Again, your children.
Jacoa, you were the Caravana, Kijilian Arabs,
Kijilarobo. I'm not an angle. Umbrana. Say, open the after an hour. That would change. No good after on here. Okay, the man I need.
or Sasana Conalog.
Just a good kind of one.
Walk here one.
You have taken for 15.
No, I'm 15 the name.
An account.
Kanko. So I'm looking at Kunukan. And I'll roll into the mud.
Bow.
I'll roll into mud.
Bow.
No Kunukan. And Ohamarawan.
Bow.
Wasn't a Logana in Malawi.
Or the actors of managers. Or the Tata. Kenya of Kazi to Valamo. It is in the Mayban. Huh? Tell them all to Lugoni 3 years.
So you could across all again already.
Roman. I'm a man and I go to Kakob. To my deputy, avoid Uguno.
You don't cause an hour. You
Kabawell. Okubavia. Only put them all. Now, Deka, only gun. Any gun, that's what I'm going to come. Tell them mother. But Imana say, Anna's all also. Oh, Jago, I've done about to make you gun at them. That should mean, let's say.
So no, you return the money on the land. Because
okay. Come to go come.
no, actually,
Mbago.
because
Buka Paiza.
you want
Ogunuka, Onuka, you open up a Salogunuka. Ah, Palena. You open until you open up power, you open until you can. Busem, a lot of you.
to Melody.
One man on that ball, Richard. What over to Gonaka in the ring. Ben I am with the Ogua. Then I am with the Ogua. What to walk away where? By Ogu, I'll more to ring them. I'm more to ring them.
Because
Gabi can't come. Gabanam.
what's in that? Because
Gabin di Hunam Bessa.
this Sabave. You couldn't make it.
Moba. Moche.
Moche. One will listen ago. So I drove a performer and I will listen. And I will bring you. Because
Gabo voice.
you may go.
Molotalia.
You train her.
Molotalia.
Can the Hun?
Gabo of them.
We can make it for we can make it.
I want to bet in Giovanna.
One. Okay. Because of
nke mkpakala onwe na-achụ maka kpakala mịa nke a bụ mma onwe na-achụ m ya were mma chụọ onye ahụ nke a bụ ọbọ nna m nke a mbeleba nke a mma onwe na-achụ m si were mma chụọ onye ahụ nke a bụ ahụ ike onwe na-achụ m bụ ihe ọbụla nọchiri m ụzọ si were ike wachapụ ebe ahụ nke a mkpakara onwe na-achụ si were mkpakara chụọ onye ahụ nke a bụ kandụl dị ebe a kandụl ebe a bụ kandụl ọ bụ nwunye m nke bụ anwụrụ anwụ na-eme ekpele so mesi ekpele ya gbara na kandụl amụrụ amụ mgbe nekpokọwie na ebe dịka pọtụ sie isi wanche n'isi n'ọkụ wancha gbazie nrupụtie ole mere ọkwa kandụl blọkụ kandụl bie na-adị na ya nke a bụ isi nkịta ana m egbulie ọvọm nke a onye gala gwakwara m ọgwụ a pechadị nke a bụ mgbabara agba mpụta nwele ndebe so nwere na-achụ m si wele be nke a bụ awele nke a bụ awele